I'm ready.
Yeah.
It's amazing today, also on the 25th of July 2024. Here we have Lemminkäisenkatu 10, stake is B. But we also need to get to stage A here, of course. This is also in Kaleva, Tampere, Finland, Finland. And this certainly was finished in 1963 with ValmetSchlieren elevators and beautiful doors.
Yes, it's 1962, more rare.
Even more rare. Built in late 1962, finished in 1963 here. December is VS249. I hope we can get to the stake as soon as possible.
Yeah.
The right flush here. I love the sounds in this.
Same here. Insputtiit kaikki vaiskuttavat meitä pautsisonaudes grattis.
Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.